It is 2025, guys, and if up till now you don't know how to speak Pidgin English, then you are missing out. Yes, I mean what I said, the Nigerian Pidgin English, because using Pidgin English, you can connect with friends and connect with a wide range of people. Today, I'm going to run you the freshest straight from the oven Pidgin Slang 2025 updated, and you wouldn't want to miss out because they are freshly baked from the oven. Half my people waiting this up, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Zeno. It's a place where we learn how to speak Pidgin English, we grow, we level up, we evolve. Yes, I don't want to give any long introduction today. We're going to be getting right straight into business. I'm going to be giving you bass goes, left, right, center. If you're ready, let's go. Catch cruise. Catch cruise. What does it mean to catch cruise? When someone say I just dey catch cruise, it means that that person is joking. Yes, I dey joke. When someone says I dey joke means that they are just catching cruise. I just dey catch cruise. I just dey catch cruise. So I dey joke means I just dey catch cruise. It's not the cruise where you cruising on boats, enjoying yourself, having champagne. No, that's not that kind of cruise. Yeah, catching cruise here is just to make fun of somebody, relax. I just dey catch cruise with you. It means that you should relax, that they are just joking with you. Japa. When you hear the word japa, what comes to your mind? Japa means to run away or to relocate fast. Yes, most of the time we use japa when we want to run away, when we want to relocate abroad, for greener pastures, whatever. So when you say the guy don't japa, it means the guy has relocated to another place. The guy don't japa go Canada. It means that he or the guy has relocated to Canada. He choke. Yes, Nigerians, we use this slang a lot. It choke. It means it's just a dramatic expression of when something big has happened. Yes, either good or bad. Oh, that guy win 10 million naira. It choke. Oh. You can say, for instance, maybe someone just won a lottery of 10 million naira. You can say, it choke. It's just an expression of something that you have exaggerated. Like it choke, it's overwhelming, like it's massive. If you hear it shock you, just like what shock means. Shock means to be surprised. So that's what it means. When someone say it shock you, it means are you shocked? Are you surprised? It shock you. It shock you, say Davido come my wedding. There are many phrases you can use to express it shock you. It's just to show surprise. Whatever has happened, it's just to express surprise. So it shock you is used when you want to express surprise. When you hear the slang like play, when you think about it, it means all of a sudden, before I know what's going on, like play, he finished the full pot of jollof rice. Like play is just to show how something just moved quickly from being small to being to going big. It's used to talk about something that just goes from unserious to serious. All of a sudden, it just goes from play, from something that is just a joke, just a mere joke, to something very, very serious. They play. This is used to warn people, unserious people actually, yes. Or maybe someone that don't get the point, you can just use it to just tease them. They play. Like someone tells you that they've not watched the latest movie, and then you can just say, you've not watched this movie. They play. Yes, when you hear that word, just they play or they play, they're trying to tease you and to warn you about something. It might not necessarily be very, very serious. Yes, it might not necessarily be very serious. Apropos or amebo. Apropos means to gossip, to gist. It can be gossip. It can be when you're gossiping. It can be just gist. People gather to just talk about something or an event or something that took place last week, this week, whatever. So when you gather about, we just say, then they do apropos. It might not be that they're necessarily talking about someone else, but they just use it to just talk about what they're actually doing. Apropos, gist. You go dey trust Adam. This one is very, very popular. Yes, on TikTok. Actually, I see it a lot, almost every time. It means when you are overly naive, like you just don't want to feel like it's going to go that way, and everybody know for a fact that it's going to be X, Y, and Z, but you keep ignoring the fact that it's going to be like that. You go dey trust Adam, male gender, woman telling a woman that you go dey trust Adam. Especially when you experience that heartbreak, or you chop breakfast, or something happened to you, maybe he promised you something, whatever. So I just pick up that Bible analogy and they use it as a slang in 2025. It is very, very common. You go dey trust Adam. Now you sabi is one unchanging slang. Yes, it doesn't change over time. Things keep changing, but now you sabi does not change. Now you sabi is just used to say now your business. That's your own cup of tea. You understand? Now you sabi, it's not my business. Now you go they trust Adam. It's not my business. That's your business. Now you sabi. No grief for anybody. No grief for anybody. Yes, no grief for anybody. It means that you should not allow anybody step on your toes. You shouldn't allow anybody make you feel less of yourself. People that will not make you feel good about yourself, or maybe you are trying to, maybe you're in a competition and you want to give chance for somebody. It means that you shouldn't give chance. You should stand your ground. You should run your own race. No grief for anybody. Yes, that's what it means. It sounds like a motivation to people out there. So no grief for anybody. Do your thing. Occupy your own space. If you're an expert there, come out, show yourself, show your skills, do what you need to do. You dey whine me. You dey whine me. You dey whine me is an unbelievable gist, like something that you thought that person is joking about. Like, you're trying to say, are you very serious about this? You're trying to find out honestly if that person is telling the truth or not. Yes, you dey whine me, like you dey whine me say this thing actually happened. He came to see me yesterday. Really? You dey whine me? Really? Do you see the way it's going? Really? You dey whine me? You're trying to want to confirm. You are trying to want to confirm if what that person is saying is true or not. So that you dey whine me, like for real, are you being serious right now? That's what it means in Nigerian slang. Yes, we move is used to show that maybe you're bouncing off from a situation or something that just happened. You know what, regardless, we move, we go do all right, last. So we move is a Nigerian slang we used to show that regardless of the situation, nothing can pull you down, nothing can make you sit back. You have to just keep moving regardless. We move is like saying regardless of the situation, regardless of the wahala, regardless of the problem, I'm going to bounce back. You know what, maybe when you hear something heartbreaking or saddening, something that just brings your mood down, and then you just be like, your friend just be like, don't worry, we move regardless. So it's just like picking yourself up from the dust, and you know what, forging ahead with your life. I don't tell that before. Say Pidgin English, get ginger. You go collect. The you go collect is already giving a fee slap you, but it's a friendly threat though. It's a friendly threat to someone, maybe your friend or somebody that is close to you that did something that you did not really like. It might not be, you didn't take it really that serious. You can just say the person you go collect. So Sapa is poverty mood. You know now, when you are broke, when you're in the state of brokenness, you don't have money, or maybe you're almost out of cash. That's what we use Sapa for. So Sapa homie die. It means say like you are really broke, or you don't have the money or the finance. The last but not the least, yes, Aza. Kola zaman. Anytime I think about Aza, that song just rings, like it just lives rent free in my head. I just think about Aza, I just think about that song. Yes, it's a song by Rema. Aza means your bank account details. Yes, when somebody says send me your Aza, it means they're talking about your bank account details. So when you are dealing with a Nigerian client and that person just say send me your Aza, foreigners, when I hear, I'm giving you the clue now. So when they say Aza, that's what they're trying to pass to you. That is the message trying to pass across to you. It means that you should send your bank account details. Yes, so if you made it to the end of my video, then congratulations, because 2025 don't steal for you. Yes, you are officially a graduate in Nigerian Pidgin Slang 2025 updated. Woo! Please send your graduation pictures to my comments. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. If you have maybe any pidgin word or slang that you found that you want me to talk about, put it in the comment section. Do it to like, subscribe, and share this video. And I, Zeno, will see you in my next video. Bye.